Here I've got ALCATEL 5V, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications. Let's find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick system. It's the last icon. And now the second option is date and time. Let me open it. And now you can either pick automatic date and time. So this is the first option, and you can use either network provided or GPS provided time, or you can switch it off by tapping on off, and then you can set the date and time manually by yourself. You can also switch off automatic time zone by tapping over here, and then you can select the time zone by yourself. So as you can see, ALCATEL has a wide list of time zones, so let me pick for example this one. Finally, you can also change the format of your clock, so you can either have the automatic 12-hour format clock, which is this one, or you can enable 24-hour format clock by tapping on the switcher. Then you can also change the format of your date by tapping on choose date format, and as you can see here, you've got regional, then month, day and year, or opposite day, month, year, and finally year, month and date. So it's actually up to you, whichever you prefer. You can change it whenever you need to. Of course, if you would like to go back to default setting to automatic date and time, automatic time zone, simply unclick those switchers, then click on automatic date and time and pick network or GPS provided. It's just up to you. You can also change the format of clock to regional. So that's it. This is how you can easily change date and time in your ALCATEL 5V. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.